I'm changing out a Dodge 2012 turn signal. If you look under here, there's a spot that you can pop this thing out. So you're not having to go through the grill and take apart your fender and everything. Stick your hand in here, you'll find a little clamp thing and you just push up on it. And it just loosens this all up. It's in there, can't really see it, but it's like a little clamp in there and you'll just feel it, a lever pushing it up. You want to go ahead and pop your hood. Because there's going to be 2 bolts right here. Apparently it's 10 millimeters, somebody said. There's that one there, and then there's one all the way down there. So you are going to need an extension piece to get to that one. So go ahead and undo those ones. Okay, so I got the piece in there. I'm just unscrewing that. A little screw in there. I started with the harder one first. Okay, you're going to unscrew this one as well. I already loosened it with the socket, so I'm just kind of doing it with my hand. I don't know if I got that one off yet or not. Just trying to see in there. See if I can get it out. It's turning, I feel like. See if I can get my hand in there. No, I don't think that's that. Oh, I guess I got it. Pop this piece out. Okay, so trying to push this thing out, it's probably best to stick your hand back in here and start pushing on it. And then also use a thin flathead and push in this corner right here. And then you push it out. Looks like it's coming. Oh, not looser. Okay, so I tried again. I'm pushing on it and it just kind of pops out. This was what was stopping it. So from here, should be an easy fix to take this out and switch out the correct one. Hard to do with one hand. The old one out. I'm gonna replace it with this one. Use a towel so you don't get your oils on there. And it should just go right on in. Snap it into place. Okay. Push that back in there. Whoops. Okay, put it back in. And we just reassemble everything and go backwards the way we went. Haven't finished putting it all back together yet, but I at least put it back in the spot to make sure it's all working. I push the clip back down. I gotta attach these 2 screws and we should be done. You don't have to take off the entire grill.